Hello everyone. So today we are completing the square. So your first step, you have standard form, and the next step would usually be to divide everything by the coefficient of the first term, but since there's no coefficient, we're good. So we're going to go right into the next step. Next step, you want to isolate c, which in this case is 2, by moving it to the other side by adding or subtraction. So in this case, we're going to add 2 because it's negative, and do that. And we're left with y squared plus 6y equals negative 2. The next step, we want to add b over 2 all squared to both sides. So we would do y squared plus 6y plus 6 over 2 squared. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So we have negative 2 plus 6 divided by 2 all squared. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared would be 9. So we're going to do y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals negative 2, same thing, plus 9. Good. Next step would be to factor. So now we are left with y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals, combined like terms, negative 2 plus 9, 9 minus 2 equals 7. Our next step is to factor. And what we're going to do, it would be y plus 3, and we are left with y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals 2 plus 9. Next, we're just going to combine like terms. Y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals 11. Then we're going to factor, which in this case would be y plus 3 squared equals 11. After this, we're just going to use the square root method, which in this case, you would just square root both sides. That cancels out the squared and the square root, so we're left with y plus 3 equals root 11. Root 11, and you move to the other side by subtraction. You're left with y equals negative 3 plus or minus square root 11. Have a nice day, everybody. Y hasta luego.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.